You playing with coins, Bubba? Where's the money?
Playing the drums.
Show Mama. What do you have, buddy? Show Mama. What do you have? Michael. Are you going to put it inside?
Good job.
Good job, Angel. Can you dump it out? You put another one in? I don't think that one's going to fit. You gonna make it fit? That one will fit. Good job, Bugs. Show us, show us, show us. Show us what you can do. Good job, buddy. Good job. Are you sorting coins? It's getting pretty good at this. He knows which one's going now. Oh, as I say that, I think he has a quarter.
Yeah.
You need to go get some other coins, honey.
Smaller ones.
Mikey, can you say bye-byes? 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 Bye-byes?